Hi all, welcome back to channel. Today we are discussing Serbia visa, how to apply visa online. This is official website. For Serbia visa, we have to apply the application online and we are waiting for one confirmation for the embassy. Once we get the confirmation, then we can submit the passport for stamping. Like that the process going on. After creating ID, then we have to apply the visa, C type visa. Then here we have to fill our basic detail, travel purpose, personal data, travel document, visa information, upload documents and make the fees, like that the process. Here select traveling as a tourist, traveling for tourist or private. That option we have to select if it's tourism visa or business visa, according the purpose we have to select here. And next step, and we have to fill our basic detail like personal detail, passport detail, family ties, address, contact number, email ID, all detail we have to fill it. From here we have to select which diplomatic office we have to apply the visa. From India is New Delhi, and we have to select here on the basis of current location and travel date. Visa processing time almost 2 weeks, so accordingly we have to select a travel date here, and also departure return date also, and the rest of detail we have to select from here. How many days we are going to stay, border crossing, means of transport, all details we have to enter here. Serbia is not a part of Schengen, but it's an easy way to access the Europe, and it's an easy visa when compared to Schengen visa. On this section we have to mention hotel details. Hotel and tickets dummy will be work. So anyone looking hotel and ticket for dummy, you can contact me. I can help you with the reasonable charges. And document we need to upload photo, passport, hotel vouchers, ticket voucher, bank statement, any other visa. We need to show them like previous travel history. You have any visa, that also help you to get easier to faster the visa process and easier to get it approved. Like you have Schengen visa, other visa, that is a easy chances. And this session we are uploading all documents as per listed. After uploading all document, then we have to make the payment around we have to make 5,400 rupees around we need to pay online. Then we have to wait for the approval confirmation from the embassy. Generally it will take 2 weeks. So once we get the approval, then we have to visit nearest embassy for the stamping. Like that the whole process going on. So once I upload all document here, and next section will be the fee, acknowledge here, consent, and process to payment gateway. And here we have to fees, we can see how much the fees is coming. It's in local currency. So when we have to make the payment, our card, we have to enable international transaction. And only we can able to make the payment from here and just pay. And here we can see here terms of use agree, and next section will be card payment, only option there. Select here agree and card payment. So card payment, you can see here how much is amount is coming. It's 10,749 RSD local currency. It's coming almost 5,400 rupees we need to pay online. The nearest Serbian embassy is located in India is New Delhi. So once we get the approval confirmation, then we have to visit the embassy for the stamping, and we need to, here we can see the visa sticker charges, additional €2 we have to pay in embassy for the stamping. Like that the whole process going on. So hope you guys understand about Serbia visa procedures. We already completed all step-by-step process for Serbia. Any question you can put one comment. Thank you for watching. We'll see you another video. Thank you.